Here we have Google Sheets open on a sales data spreadsheet, and this quick walkthrough shows how to turn any sales content into a clickable web link. Linking is handy because you can attach a website address to a single cell without cluttering your data, so anyone viewing the sheet can jump straight to that page. If you find this helpful, a like really supports the channel. Start by clicking the Insert Link icon in the toolbar, the one shaped like a chain link. That opens a small pop-up with two parts, a text field for the words people will see, and a search box where the actual web address goes. In the top field, type whatever display text you want shown inside the cell instead of a long, messy URL. This display text is completely up to you, so something short like a product name or a label usually works best. Then move to the search box underneath and enter the website you want to point to, which here is google.com. As soon as you start typing, Sheets suggests matching sites and pages from its own index, so you often don't need to type the full address yourself. Pick whichever suggestion matches the page you're after. In this case, google.com is selected from the list. Pressing Enter confirms the choice and fills the link field with the complete web address behind the scenes. Once you click away, a small floating card appears over the cell, showing the display text and the destination URL together. That card also carries 3 little icons for editing the link, copying its address, or removing it entirely if you change your mind later. To double-check everything, open that card's edit view, where both values are laid out side by side. You'll notice the link field now holds the full https://www.google.com address, even though only the shortened form was typed earlier. If anything looks off, this is the moment to fix either the text or the URL before saving. When it all looks right, hit the Apply button to commit the link. The pop-up closes, and the active cell now contains underlined, clickable text that opens the linked page when clicked. Selecting the cell afterwards, like cell J18 here, brings the same floating card back so you can review or tweak the link anytime. So, in just a few clicks, a plain cell becomes a working hyperlink with custom display text, and editing or removing it later takes seconds through that same card. Thanks for following along, and if you'd like more practical Sheets tips like this one, make sure to subscribe.